Hey, is it?
I'm gonna go to the other window. I'm gonna go to the other window.
It's funny.
Okay.
He left over there.
Bro.
I'm gonna get a shot to the dick.
No,
Who's probably done with
Run.
your bullshit?
run,
Yo, come here.
run,
Oh,
run for
Why
your
are you
life.
running? Why are you running?
Run for your life.
Why? Why are you running? Come here. Come. No. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here.
hello?
Yeah. Come here. Where that nigga went?
Bro,
I'm gonna be working here. I'm gonna be working here.
she didn't see him.
He didn't see me. Oh my god.
She didn't see you at all.
You can sabotage the car.
Oh no, run.
Ow! 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 Come here! Come here!
Oh, damn.
Come here!
Oh, damn. Oh, okay. This is a
Yo, I need to work here. You the manager? You the manager?
Yeah.
I'm working here. That's Sam.
Yeah.
Hello?
What?
They have a burger?
A what?
A burger.
Sabotage.
What the hell is a Berber?
Sabotage.
No help
Idiot.
is needed for you.
Over here, come back. Man. Yo, shirt. I want a burger.
What the hell is a Berber?
The fuck is a Berber?
Skirts. Yo.
I know! That's what I'm saying. What the hell is a Berber?
Yo.
I think they're trying to say burger. Not sure what they're saying as Berber. Since I can't, since I didn't understand what the fuck they said, they ain't getting a Berber. What happened?
The last thing you want in your Burger King
This
burger.
nigga playing with me.
The guy's from the... Oh yes, they passed us.
Oh, bro.
If you,
Be up.
for the second wheel of the car, if you press the button, it yeets them away. It's so funny.
If I was not using my one controller, damn it.
Hello. Hello.
Say, give me a fucking burger.
Hello.
Yo.
Hello.
What? Burger.
Just heated me up.
I'm